It's the middle of the winter here in Great Neck, and now, if you're walking down the street and a tree branch filled with snow falls on you, hits your head, and you suffer significant injury, can you sue the property owner for the injuries that you've suffered? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you some great information. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law in the state of New York. A property owner is responsible for maintaining his or her property. Now, if there's a tree that's on his property that now a branch has fallen, caused you injury, what do? Can the property owner be held responsible? In some cases, the answer is yes. The property owner may have known that the tree branches were rotted out. The property owner may have known that he should have pruned that tree, or he may have known that the excess amount of snow that fell recently here in New York could have caused a dangerous condition to some of these trees based upon the age of the tree, based upon the health of the tree, based upon an obligation to maintain those trees in a healthy manner. A property owner may have an obligation to hire an arborist or a tree expert to come by from time to time to take a look at the trees on their property to determine whether or not the trees are healthy. Are they rotted out? Have some branches fallen already in the past? Have there been instances where significant branches or limbs from trees have fallen, and it's obvious from looking at it that it's rotted out in the middle? Those may be indications to suggest that the homeowner knew or should have known that there was a problem with a particular tree. In those instances, we may be able to show that the property owner is responsible. The same thing is true if it's a municipality. Let's say it's a park, and now the municipality has an obligation to do the same thing that a homeowner does. And then the municipality has the same obligation that a homeowner does to take reasonable care for what's on their property, including trees. And if you don't prune it properly and have somebody look at it from time to time, they may ultimately be held responsible for the injuries that you suffered when a limb falls and causes devastating injury. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding into what can happen when a tree branch or a limb falls and now you suffer significant injury. I recognize you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. There's something I do every single day and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.